ginagawa mong soft drinks yung dagat, ang ganun ko habang nag-ano. Hindi straw eh.
This is perfectly bright. When you fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite, magic, wonder, thunder, striking through my heart. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, looking in his eyes. Yeah, all the sparks will fly. All the sparks will fly.
Hello guys. What's up? Shallow lang kasi. Shallow pa lang. Kaya walang isda. Room 1. Let's go to room 1. Where's room 1? Tada! Ano room? Ayan, room 1. Pasok ka na. Nangangain to. Kayo, EF. Ako, B.
Alam mo ba yan, nilagay sa tapat ng CR para hindi ka na.
Oo. Ihiin ka kasi.
Dito ako sa baba.
Hindi ako pwede malalagay.
So, my room bed is under B. Upper tayo. Upper bed. Paano pag malaki yung mukha mo? Hindi kasya dito.
Malibingan pala itong katabi natin eh. O ayan o. Dito yan ah.
Baliw. Ito patay.
Ah, abandonadong shit siya.
Oh, may mini bathtub. Kasya ka, Leia.
Ayan nga.
Kasya si Leia.
Gusto ko may ganyan doon sa bago nating house ha.
Okay na yan, Ekres?
Alam niyo na yung gagawin nyo at hindi na kayo magpapanik. Okay, and you have para ma-enjoy na rin natin yung dive at ma-lessen yung mga injuries. The first phase is I will push my tummy out slowly. Parang feeling mo pupunuin mo yung chan mo ng air. Pag stretch out na siya, second phase, you move your shoulder up while breathing in slowly pa din. Tuloy-tuloy to na breathe in. Your mind will wander, maliligaw yan. Anong sinasabi mo, coach? Na maliligaw yan. Nagbe-belly breathing nga kayo, pero yung isip nyo yan, nailan ko ba yung bahay?
Okay, so pag sinabi ko yung balik, turn around ka lang, swim ulit. Hindi tayo competitive, so hindi natin kailangan na mabilis na feeling or what. 3 days nga lang. After 3 days.
Noted ka na.
At sumahod ka, mahanap ka rin naman.
Positive, Leia. Positive. Oh, cheerio.
Okay, lay down your head.
Positive, Leia. Positive. Wala pa nga. Wala pa nga.
Alam ko naman na medyo unbuoyant ka eh. Hindi ka lulubog.
Positive, Leia. Positive. Pins.
Ayun! Sit down!
Yuko, yan.
Instagrammable.
Wag lumigo yan to.
Oh! Oh!
Oy, don't panic.
Okay, turn around! Turn around! Very good!
Woo!
Wala pa 30 seconds. Marunong ka na ng... May team talaga. May team yung kinukunan. Okay, lay down your head. Yan. Swim. Extend your arm lang. Okay, turn around. Yun. Hoy.
Ikaw na?
Tama ko.
Go! Woo!
Snorkel! Snorkel! Hindi naman. Ang importante lang is talagang physical ko. Kasi ito yung tinatamay kayo palayo, lapit lang sa buhay, ha? Okay, game!
The sky is changing from indigo into blue,
For the experience.
and I am changing too. For the first and the last time, the earth is trembling, and I am trembling too.
Itagi sila kasi traffic na.
It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was, as it really is.
Round 2. Open session live. Ang saya, ang dami nila. Parang Splash Island.
Mahaba yung tubig, eh, no?
Oo. Low tide. Ano ulit? Round 2? Team, no equalize. Ang hindi si makalubog. At ito ang ayaw lumubog. Welcome to my vlog! Hahabunin ka natin dito.
As our fortunes come to find our hands, and our worried bones fall back into place. We've been chasing fire and wind for too long. Now it's time to make some space of our own. Let's make some space of our own. Let's make some space of our own.
Hi guys. It's for the vlog. It's for the vlog. It is order. Sarap.
Dapat may vlog ka.
How to equalize? Ganun po. Kala mo talaga mag-stretching, no? Upang bahay yan, Leia. Kailangan upang yoga. Okay.
Hindi ka lahat ng face na yung kabila lang.
Exhale. Bend your knees. Every time you exhale, you want to push your knees towards the back. Stay here, 5 breaths. 1. Push the floor. Inhale, upward facing dog. Come to the tip of the fingers, head up. Exhale, bend forward, drop your head, forehead and below. Thanks guys! Enjoy your dive!
Kaya nga tinuruan ko kayo ng blasting, di ba? Yung blasting na lang, hindi mo na kailangan itaktak. Bakit ka na nga? Ano? Busog? Ano kasi ginagawa mo soft drinks yung dagat? Ang ganun ko habang nag-ano. Yung straw mo eh.
says that I've got the answer? Jumping through hoops, looping time. Does the fish know it's in water? Do we all share the same sky? Cars swimming upstream. Everybody's trying to do big things. Storm running through rain. Nobody's gonna win that race. This long day short. Forgot what we're working towards. Face red, heart blue. Telling lies I wish were true. How do I feel? What's been missing? Same look, just gone out of style. What price does one pay to fit in? Empty shelves fill every aisle. Cars swimming upstream. Everybody's trying to do big things. Storm running through rain. Nobody's gonna win that race. This long day short. Forgot what we're working towards. Face red, heart blue. Telling lies I wish were true. What's life like underwater? Always slurring my speech. Do you think we're so different? Sleeping and grinding our teeth. Cars swimming upstream. Everybody's trying to do big things. Storm running through rain. Nobody's gonna win that race.
Bye! Taray, may pahag si Mayora.
Ano gusto mo handshake? May mga ibita ka ha. Saan ka papadali?
Ito kahit sa kalad ka rin to eh. Basta yung sa susunod na yaya mo, kailangan may partner na daw siya. Kailangan may third.
Napakabilis naman.
Chichismisan. Kaya mo sa akin nilibigay. Mag-outro ka na, parang si Nathan. Gotta go.
Out there, I couldn't find